These are the worst ways to fix your foundation. Number one, patching the crack. Patching a crack like this may seem like a good idea at first, but as you can see by this gray mortar here, that it's been patched before, and you can see how this has just continued to move open. This doesn't address the root cause of the actual problem, which is what the foundation is sitting on. So what happens as this foundation continues to fail, that crack opens up until you realize this really isn't a fix. Number two, not doing anything at all. Now, a lot of homeowners, when they see a hairline crack like this one, won't do anything at all. They don't realize that this problem is just going to continue to get worse and worse. It's going to affect more parts of the home, and it's going to double, maybe triple the cost of the repair. This is the best way to fix your foundation. Number one, push pierce. Number two, helical pierce. Number three, slab pierce. Now, although these are the best solutions, they are not a one-size-fits-all. The correct solution depends on the home's foundation type, the soil conditions, and an accurate evaluation of the home to know where to install the piers. So having an expert take a look is a key part of ensuring everything is done correctly.